In this video series, we will provide an overview of OSHA-compliant products that Dixon has to offer. This video will focus on hose safety. This is Dixon's air receiver manifold. This unit here is completely dressed out to meet all the OSHA requirements. First and foremost, it's a 7-gallon capacity. It has 7 outlets so that it can diffuse the air to different tools. It has a gauge so you can monitor the pressure inside of the tank. It has a pop-off valve, so in the event that the pressure gets to build up too much, this valve will pop off and exhaust. It also has a drain on the bottom to allow any moisture that builds up inside the tank to be drained out. Each one of these ports has a safety check valve installed behind the lockout, tagout, self-venting ball valve. The most important part of this manifold is this plate that's welded onto the side that shows that this is an ASME certified pressure vessel. The Air King safety clip used with an Air King universal coupling is a very important part of the connection. OSHA charges $1,000 fines for every Air King connection that does not have a clip in it. Each fitting is sold with a clip intended to go in. When you connect the two, it's advisable to have the clips going in opposite directions, so in the event that you're dragging the hose and one gets knocked out, the other clip is still maintained. And we do sell bulk bags of these as well for replacement clips, and you can actually get them with a lanyard as well if you want to tie it to the fitting so that it's always handy. While OSHA doesn't require a whip hose, Dixon recommends you utilize whip hose with any air tool. The idea behind this is a case hardened fitting. It has 5 to 6 feet of hose to the Air King connection with the clip. This would thread directly into the tool, and the fitting behind you, in case of a disconnect, helps provide protection to the operator by being back behind them. When connecting 2 hoses together, Dixon's King safety cable is the ideal way to keep the hose from flying around the job site in the event of a disconnection. This is a hose-to-hose connection. When installed properly, it looks just like it does on the owner's manual, which is attached to every cable. We also offer a hose-to-tool option, which this would thread through the trigger guard or around a valve, and this would connect to the hose and look like this when it was fully extended. We additionally provide a nylon version that is spark resistant, lightweight, and it won't rust. OSHA violations can lead to large fines and legal problems. Dixon offers our on-site safety training program to help come to your facility and identify some of these issues before they become a problem. Visit Dixon's website for more information on OSHA compliance and the products that meet OSHA regulations. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.